Hello everyone, welcome to the Lessons Divine lecture session. I am Pratiksha Talsania, and shall we continue with this with our math session? Yes, definitely. Our first chapter is where to look from. Okay, that's the name of the chapter. In the previous lecture, we have already revised the 2D shape, 3D shape and three different view of an object. As I told you, we all are surrounded with the 3D ऑब्जेक्ट्स ओके सारे जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स है सब 3D है कोई भी चीज 2D में नहीं है एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट विच आर इन 3D they are having different view okay had already learned about the front view, top view and the side view of any object. Okay, 3D है मतलब उसमें क्या होती है लेंथ होती है ब्रेड्थ होती है और हाइट होती है. That means it has a different view from different side. Okay, so we had already learned about front view, side view and the top view. Based on that, there is one exercise which is given on the page number 2. So, those who are having textbook, they will please open the page number 2, and those who are not having textbook, they will concentrate over here. Okay, in this page, you can easily see that it's a practice time. Our question number a cat is peeping. A cat is peeping into a class. Sorry. A cat is peeping into a class. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? From this picture, you have to find out where the teacher is. Can you see that it is a top view? Cat ऊपर से देख रही है पूरे class को. The window is from the on the height of the wall, and from that window it can see from the top. Okay, so here are the students, those who are sitting on the bench. Can you find out the teacher? Yes, here is the teacher and it is a top view of the class. Okay, the second number exercise is here are some pictures. Find out from the where you have to look to see the things this way. Okay, look at this. This is a staircase. How can when we find out the staircase this way? Okay, when we see the staircase from the side, at that time we find out the staircases this way. Okay, the next picture is of staircase. Okay, when do we find out the staircase this way? When we see the staircase from the top, during that time we'll get this view. Now this is the table, picture of the table. When do we find out the picture of the table this way? When we see the table from the top. Okay, it is a rectangular table, and when we see this table from the top, during that time we'll find out the table this way. Look at below, there is a bus. Okay, when do we find out the bus this way? We find out this bus when we see the bus from the side. Okay, here is the picture of a pencil. Okay, this is a pencil without sharpening. Okay, so when we find out the pencil this way, when we see the pencil from the top, and this is the side view of the chair. Okay, हम जब chair को side में से देखेंगे, during that time we find out the chair this way. Look at the next exercise. Your next exercise is exercise C, where you have to draw the top view of a few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. Okay, you have to draw the top view of the fewer things. Okay, this is the exercise that you have to do it yourself. Try to do yourself to draw the top view of the few things and ask your friends, your family members to guess the things, which thing you have drawn already. Okay, this is the homework exercise. Okay, now based on the different view of an object, there will be one exercise that we have to do it over here. Here, draw the missing view of the given object. We can see that there is a top view of the book. This is the side view of the book, and we have to draw the front view. Okay, the front view is a very little one. Okay, so this is the front view of the book. Now here you are having front view of the table, top view of the table. You have to just draw the side view of the table. साइड से हम देखेंगे तो हमें उसके ये लेग्स भी, छोटे छोटे लेग्स भी दिखेंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द square or rectangle shape and draw a legs of the table, because when we see the table from the side we can find out the legs of the table. Here is a front view side view of a box. एक box का front view side view दिखाया हुआ है. You have to draw the top view. अभी जितना ये front view है उतना ही, उसके जितना ही ऊपर वाला side view भी, top view भी हो सकता है. Okay, so this is this way. I will give you some live example for showing the sides, different view of the object. Okay, now this is a box. Okay, this is the front view, side view and the top view. Okay, same thing, front view, side view and the top view. Same for the book, front view, side view and the top view. So this way we can describe the different views of an object. Those objects are in 3D, we can define their different views. Okay. Okay, why do we need to learn about the different view of an object? This is a front view, this is a top view, this is a side view. Isn't it sound interesting? Okay, I don't think that, but this is the thing which will be used in the higher standard, as well as those who want to be an architect, those who want to be a 3D animator. Okay, आपको फिर आप ये सारी चीज में, those who want to be an artist. Okay, so during that time you should understand the basic concept of the different kind of view. This thing will be help you there. If you don't know कि भाई ये क्या है, तो it will really trouble you during that time. So इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे बेसिक से सीख रहे हैं कि भाई what is top view, what is front view, what is side view. Okay, आपको लगता होगा these are the बेकार thing, इसको क्यों पढ़ने की जरूरत है हमें, because this thing will be help you over there. This is the basic for that such things. Okay, so this is that's why it is important to study over here. Now we'll move to the next topic. Our next topic is a Rangoli. Those who are having textbook, please, they will open the page number 3. There you will find out one boy and one girl. Can you see that the girl is making Rangoli? Okay. We are making Rangoli at very auspicious occasion, right? Like शादी पे होता है, like दिवाली पे होता है. South India, people used to make Rangoli every day on their doorstep. It's a daily ritual for them. Okay, as we are making Rangolis only on the Diwali occasion, but they are making Rangoli every day. Okay, now we'll move our textbook topic. Our textbook topic is Rangoli. Open the page number 3. Those who are having and those who are not having, they will concentrate here. There are some dialogues between the boy and the girl. The boy says, "Have you ever made a Rangoli? My friend Meenakshi made beautiful floor patterns." Okay, now Rangoli is used to made it on a floor. We make different kind of patterns on it. So we can say we make different floor patterns. Fine. Now Meenakshi said, "I am Meenakshi. I am belongs to Tamil Nadu and we make Rangoli every morning and they are made by using dots." Okay, Tamil Nadu is situated in South India. As I told you, South Indians are making Rangoli every day and they used to use the dot to make Rangoli. It's a one kind of counting. Actually, it's an art, but it's a calculated art. Okay, here we are making Rangoli using the dots. So it is very necessary to count the dot properly and make the pattern beautifully. okay, without effort. Okay, it will make your work easy and as well as less time consuming. Okay, so let's do one of the rangoli for you. Here I start making a pattern of rangoli. See, here first I am taking first 4 dot and make a square. Then afterward 3 dot, I took 3 dots, sorry 4 dots, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and I made a triangle over here. Again I made a square. Now same thing I will repeat from this side. I will draw triangle using the 4 dots. Again square. Again I will repeat here. I made triangle, then square. Again I will repeat here all the 4 sides. I made triangle and square. Can you see the pattern? Now I will draw a square using the center dot. See, can you see that one pattern has been formed? Okay, using the dots, using the proper calculation, you can draw the proper design with the proportion. This is the motto of learning this thing. Okay, now the thing proportion. Proportion का मतलब क्या? हर एक चीज प्रॉपर वे से हो, प्रॉपर तरीके से हमें दिखे. ऐसा नहीं कि एक मोटी है और एक पतली है. When you are taking a proper measurement, then you will find out any pattern in a proper proportion, just like this. Okay. Now we'll move to the next pattern which I have already started. Here what I have to do, I am going to draw a line this way. Again I will start from here. Again I will start. Again I will start and stop over here. Can you see the pattern is formed? Yes, one pattern is already formed just using the dots. Okay, we'll move to the next pattern. Your next pattern is a triangular pattern which is quite easy. Just draw it. Draw. Isn't it easy? Quite easy. You can draw so many patterns using the dots. Okay. Next page of your textbook, you can find out there are some patterns using the dots they have made. You can also try the same pattern in the space given below. You can see that there is a blank space with the dots given below, and you have to try the same pattern given below the space. So this is it. You can try many different kind of pattern using the dots, and this is the experimental work which is done by you, and it is fun learning as well because it includes the drawing as well as the maths. Okay, so this is it for the session, and next time I will see you, and till that you have to stay safe, stay healthy and keep learning from the lecture session. I hope you enjoy the lecture. Goodbye. Bye.